Hey guys, what's up? Adil here with TechWafer, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Huawei P30 Pro. It is a new device launched by Huawei and a sub-variant of Huawei's P30 Pro and P30. So let's see what are the details that they mentioned on the box, and according to the box, the variant that I am having has 4 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. And other than that, the color of this device that I'm having is peacock blue. So let's unbox the box and see what they're providing in the box. So there we go, let's do it. So first of all, they are providing the warranty card, and then let's see what else they're providing. So let's peel off the strips and the safety seals on the box. Okay guys, so let's open the box and see what they're providing. And here we go. At the very top of the box you'll find the Mate 30 Lite device. Let's see how is it. It has quite a larger screen, and other than that there is a gradient feel at the very back, and there are layers of shine when you swipe it across. So it is kind of a pretty impressive design that they've provided in P30 Lite. So by the time it is turned on, we'll look into the other stuff in the box. So let's do it. Okay, the next thing that you'd find is a SIM ejector tool and the quick start guide that we usually don't read. So let's put it aside. And the very next thing that you'd find is the silicone cover. It is a soft silicone cover, not a hard shell cover. So I'd recommend that you should use it when you are purchasing P30 Lite, so that your phone stay protected from scratches and other stuff. It is a good thing that brands nowadays providing these covers along with their phones. So let's put it aside. And the next thing that you would find is the Huawei's quick charge. It is a 2 ampere charger that would support the quick charging to your P30 Lite. So I assume that it will be helpful to charge your phone faster. So let's put it aside. Next thing that you'll find is the Type-C connecting cable. So it's a good thing that Huawei is providing Type-C connector in Huawei P30 Lite. So let's see what else they're providing inside the box. And the very next thing that they're providing is, okay, so it is their standard headphones. So let's see how good the device is. Okay, so let's talk about the design of the device, and then we will continue to the setup. And this phone has 6.15 inches display, that is a 1080p resolution display that would be helpful to watch movies in HD resolution. And then you'd find a camera in the view drop notch. So that camera is 32 megapixel, and it would be helpful to capture stunning selfies and images from your front camera. And then let's look at the buttons, and it has a volume, rockers and power button on the right side. So the grip is quite easy and they're accessible by one hand, so it's not a problem that you won't find any difficulty reaching to the button. So it's a good thing. But however, let's look at the bottom, and at the bottom you would find speakers along with the microphone, and then there's a Type-C connector and a headphone jack that would be helpful to connect your headphones with it. And at the back you'd find the cameras, triple camera setup, and a fingerprint scanner along with the LED flash. Speaking of cameras, the first camera is 24 megapixel, the second camera is 8 megapixel, and the third camera is 2 megapixel depth sensor with a 2.4 aperture. The 24 megapixel camera has 1.8 aperture and it is a wide camera. The 8 megapixel camera is an ultra wide sensor. There is a SIM tray. Okay, let me open the tray. Okay, you can use dual SIMs or a micro SD card and a SIM, so it's pretty handy. It has 128 gigs of internal storage, so you won't be needing any extra storage if you are not that much of a user of smartphone. So let me set up the device and look into the details of the software. The P30 Lite is coming with a pre-installed screen protector, so you won't be needing a new one. Speaking of the display, this phone has 6.15 inches display with 1080p resolution, so that's quite good. But it has an LCD display, IPS LCD display. So other than that, speaking of the software, this phone is running EMUI 9.0.1 at the top of Android 9.0. So this software of Huawei is quite optimized. And speaking of the specification, this phone is having a high silicon Kirin 710 chipset along with the 4 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. And as far as the battery is concerned, this phone is having 3340 mAh battery. The battery is not that large, but an optimized software could be helpful to increase the battery life and duration. So however, the software is not that much good as the Samsung One UI is. I would recommend Huawei to fix the glitches in the software, and there are minor tweaks that needed to be done. Other than that, the software is quite fine. So I recommend them to fix these issues so that users could benefit from the software as much as they can. That's pretty much it about the phone for the time being, and I'll come up with the review of this phone later in this week, so stay tuned for that. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe TechWafers, and also share this video with your friends so that they don't miss the unboxing of the P30 Lite. Have a good day. See you in next video.